up, they won't let me out. Baby, no, but my baby, they wear the super.
All right, so 2 trades taken today. Ended up the day profitable as usual, profitable week as usual with the Discord. Everything was live traded and sent out here. But let me explain what happened. I took this first trade, was a loss because, I mean, it was a really good setup, A plus setup. Everything was explained, but unexpected orange folder news took us out. I lost a little bit more in this trade because of the fact that it's the spreads from the news. So I got stopped around here. Normally would be here. That's what unfortunate, but super solid setup, and that's really rare that the orange folder news has this kind of impact. Okay, regardless, the second trade was solid, tapped into the order block perfectly, took the trade, boom, and I de-risked on this trade. Overall, I made like $100 today, like in profit, like end of the day. Unfortunate because would have made a lot more money today, the freaking news, but you know what, I'm stoic. We have to practice stoicism because, you know, we cannot go back. I learned a really valuable lesson that Kremlin news also will affect the markets. But that's what's up. That's really good. Profitable day as usual. Everybody made money in the Discord, my students. But the week was also really profitable. Okay, really profitable. Even though we didn't take that many trades this week, but still profitable week as usual. Again, I don't even remember when was the last time we had a losing week. I don't want to talk too much, but you know, pretty good. But lesson learned as well today. But regardless, if you want to trade with me every single day, make money and learn at the same time, become independent, profitable trader, it should be in the link in the description. And also, there's a free section, free course, community, everything that you need. But yeah, regardless, today is Friday, man. Happy Friday. Hope you having a good day, man. Hope you're having a great day. And I'm gonna probably read some book. I'm about to finish this one book, The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. And you know, yesterday I didn't record this day in a life because this point of view trade videos, because yesterday was kind of, you know, boring. I didn't take any trades yesterday because, you know, kind of asked price action. Overall profitable week as usual. I hope you guys had a profitable week as well. Like, I really do. I hope you guys are profitable, or at least on your way to becoming a profitable independent trader. Regardless, solid trades taken today, even though we lost the first one, but ended up the day profitable. But lesson learned, a lesson learned. All right, so I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys as usual. Always, that's how it goes, transparent. It's currently about to be like 11 p.m. in my country's time. And I know you may wonder, like, what the heck? Didn't you just take a trade? Well, technically, but it's been hours, okay? It's been hours and hours when I took that because, you know, I skipped this video a little bit. I went to see my cousins, say what's up to them. You know, just a little family renew, what is the word? You know, family stuff, you know, just say what's up to them. Because, you know, my cousins, real G's. But now it's raining outside. Like I told you, I just came home. I made, you know, it was kind of mid-tier trading day. Let's be honest, Friday. But, you know, it's completely fine. The first trade was a surprise because of the news, and I took a lesson. But even though, you know, although together I made today like $100, you know, that's fine. That's fine. But that's like a mid-tier day. But overall, super profitable week, really profitable week as usual. But yeah, man, now what's gonna happen? I'm gonna wait for the rain to stop a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my dog out. But now I'm gonna read some book. I ordered 2 new books. They came a couple of days ago. I picked them up. And I'm gonna start to read them. And I just finished up like the Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. It's really good. I recommend it. But obviously it's not paid promotion. Like I tell you guys, like I keep getting those paid promotion deals in my Gmail, in my Instagram. But I'm not gonna take those because I'm not gonna pick any kind of promotion if I do not personally use it, because I do not trust. Okay, I don't want to put my viewers, I don't want to put you behind the screen at risk, because I've been getting like unregulated broker promotion deals, and I'm not gonna take them. Never, okay, never ever would I take those. I'm gonna only take them who I trust and what I also like personally use. Okay, for example, if like Google Calendar would make me would pay me to promote it, I would promote it because I personally use it, and that's just one example, okay? And you know, that's free promotion, okay? Google Calendar is amazing, and no, I didn't get paid for this, no, but I recommend something called the free Discord of mine, free course, free community, etc., etc. But I know, you hate being promoted to, and I understand, but if it's free, why not? But like I told you, I'm gonna read some book, take my dog out, and how do you like my new microphone? Yeah, just came a couple on Wednesday. I went to pick it up. You know, Wednesday I made $900. Went to pick it up straight after, you know, because I had some free time. But yeah, gonna read some book, take my dog out, and I'm gonna take this camera, my phone, my little phone outside. It may rain, it may not. If it rains, I'm gonna take my jacket, my rain jacket. But yeah, I'll see you in a minute. All right, man, we out here. You know, I go like, guys, what you see right here, it's the realest homie there is, bro. Like the realest. Like, let's be honest. But you know, it's kind of good. Like if you have a dog, kind of forces you to go outside for a walk. Even if you don't have a dog, just go for some walks, guys. Just trust me with this one, okay? Because it's just, you know, after a long day, or even after, I mean, even before a long day, I like to do it with or without my dog. Really helps to set the day or start the day. Man, look how he did now. Shit, freak. Look at this. The leash is all okay. He's smart. He's smart with it. You see that? He's smart. He's smart. Labrador. My G. Realest one. Shout out to Rocky. His name is Rocky. If you see this, comment down below, Rocky. But yeah, man. I really don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see me, but you know, it's pretty chill, calm ass day. It's about to be like 12 or like 11. It's about to be 12 a.m. in my country, so it's like midnight. But you know how it goes. I'm sorry, bro. I have to record you doing the deed, but bro, trust me, I'm not gonna send this anywhere. No, I'm just playing. You know. Like, look, man, I go lie, like, you have to listen to 50 Cent if you want to make some money. But for real, there was this one quote that he said on his song called The Writer Music. Like, I'm literally listening to it right now. He said, like, homie, you hustling backwards if you're chasing a bee. Stupid, you need to chase the paper because they come with the shit. Do you know how accurate that shit is? I mean, if you think about it, bro, chasing them hoes literally won't get you nowhere. I mean, bro, I go like, imagine, or like there, imagine there's a freaking creepy clown, or you know, what was that one Serbian dancing lady? Imagine that she just spawns there. You know, I go like, what would you do in that scenario, bro? All right, now I'm back home, and I go like I think, you know, I may go out. What am I talking about? I may go to sleep really soon, but I'm gonna, you know, obviously edit this video a little bit. I'm gonna wrap it up, but I want to tell you guys about something, bro. If you haven't noticed, and if you haven't heard yet, like all these millionaires, billionaires, all these successful people always tell you something like about time and how valuable it is. It is 100% fact. Your time is the most valuable asset that you have. Think about it, bro. Time is more valuable than money, because time is what life is made of. Said by some legend, maybe was it Bruce Lee, but it's true. Time is what life is made of. And if you're willing to give your time to unnecessary BS, to some freaking distractions like TikTok, all these BS, even YouTube, but obviously this is valuable because I just gave you that value. But you need to really consider what are you ready to trade like your time with. And most definitely, do not trade your time with money. That is like 9 to 5. Me personally, I used to trade time with money when I used to flip burgers, but that was for a reason because I want to grow my trading live account. So that was only then. I did for that for a reason. So do not trade your time for money. Your time is the most valuable asset there is, okay? Just understand that, okay? But man, if you like this video, comment down below what you think about this video. And as usual, bro, I'll see you on the other side, all right? Calm day, really, really calm day, okay? Really, really calm day, calm Friday. But as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.